All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to cite a source that you find in SIRS Issues Researcher. SIRS is one of our library databases, so you could find it here under this library databases link on the Morton East homepage. It's this SIRS, or I guess it's called Knowledge Source. You might also find it on a class page that I've built for you. So this is what it looks like here. I already have SIRS open and I am actually already in an article that I want to use to cite. Um, Now I also have my Noodle tools open and I'm going to go ahead and click into my project. I click on the name of the project and it takes me to the dashboard, and then I go right to sources because I'm just citing. So I need to be in the sources tab to cite. So I always need to start with creating a new citation. So I'm going to do that. And Noodle Tools asks me, where is it? So what it's saying is like, where is this source? Is it a database, a website, printer in hand? Some other choices. SIRS is a database. So if you're citing from SIRS, you just select database. The next thing it asks me is, what is it? And it's saying like, what kind of source is this? So one of the really nice things about SIRS is it tells me right at the top what kind of a source it is. So I don't really have to guess. It says that this is a newspaper. So I'm going to select newspaper. Okay. So now there's a couple different things I can do. I can go ahead and start filling these boxes in. SIRS Issues Researcher, then is the first thing. So the first thing it asks me is what's the name of the database, and I put that in. The next thing it asks me is for the URL. That's really just asking me for the web address. So I copy that and paste it in. Oh, there we go. Okay, most recent date of access, you always just click today. And now I just do these couple of other little things. Okay, so who's the author of this article? It's this guy named Rod Norland. So I'm going to go ahead and put his name in. The article title, whoops, is Book Banning on the Rise from Disney to Orwell. So I highlight that, I copy it, I paste it in. There's no English translation. Let's see if I have a section and page numbers. Okay, so page A4, it tells me right here, there's a ton of information right up here at the top that I'm going to use to fill in my boxes in Noodle Tools. So page A4. Okay, so um, I'm going to type in A period 4. A might be the section. I'm not sure, but I think I can put it there, or I can put the A here. Maybe that's a better thing to do. A and the pages are 4. This is just a one-page article, so it's only page 4. Um, okay, so the next thing that Noodle Tools asked me is for the name of the newspaper. This is from the New York Times. How do I know that? Because it says right here, New York Times, right at the top. This is the name of the newspaper. If it was from the Chicago Tribune, it would say Chicago Tribune right there. Publication city is New York, and actually it tells me right here, oh, it says leave blank for a nationally published newspaper. So I think I can probably leave that blank, or I can, if you put New York in, I'm not going to take any points away or anything. I think it's still correct. And publication date. Okay, so this was published October 1st, 2018. Again, I'm using all of this information right here at the top to fill in this stuff. Publication October 1, 2018. Edition, I don't have an edition. So now I just hit save. And here's my annotation from SIRS. It gives me also a link to get back to the actual article. So once I create the citation, I have a way to get back to the article itself. And that's how you cite a source from SIRS.